Vowels. What is a vowel? A vowel is a type of sound for which there is no closure of the throat or the mouth at any point where vocalization occurs. In the English language, there are 16 different sounds in vowels, which are e, feet, need, seem, seat, fit, sit, kick, list, fed, bed, best, pen, fate, pain, day, mail, fight, bite, kite, like, foot, oat, corn, coat, fun, hut, luck, but, fan, bat, fat, cat, phone, wrote, coat, code, fond, hot, top, pot, full, pull, book, should, fool, pool, two, suit, ow, foul, towel, now, owl, oi, foil, toil, oil, boy, first, heart, bird, start, after, America, about, ahead,